Hello everyone, welcome to the Discrete IAS. My name is Bharat Dhakad. In this video, we are going to discuss the important qualities for an IAS officer. Our first quality is discipline. This quality is crucial during your preparation phase to fulfill your daily study targets. Also, this quality will play a crucial role when you will be posted in a district. As success has no shortcuts, and this is what our second quality conveys, that is hard work. Hard work has no substitute. An IAS officer is provided with tremendous amount of powers to run the district. These powers are given to you for better public service delivery without any hindrance. And so, for better public service delivery, you have to do immense hard work. Immense hard work. Our third quality is emotion handling. There are many low points when you feel exhausted and finally breaks down during your preparation. That time you have to recollect yourself to keep the proper momentum of study to fly with colors. But the same can happen during your service due to overloading of the work. Also, at times there will be situations while running administration where you have to connect with the people emotionally, keeping your emotions within limit. Okay, hence this quality will help you there. Honesty and integrity are the another important qualities that you should possess. You have to be honest to yourself during your preparation so that you can get the exact glimpse of level of your preparation. This will help you find how much you have to cover and how much you have covered. This will lead to consistency and impartiality in your words and actions too, thereby increasing transparency and trustworthiness at public level. Communication skills will play crucial role during your service. You might be posted in tribal areas or in any of the rural areas, and then your communication skills will go through a litmus test. These skills will help you to convey the proper message of government to the citizens there. Since you are the bridge between what government wants to deliver and what should be delivered, so for proper trickling down of the good governance, your communication skills should be good. Being focused is another important quality that you have to inculcate. There may be lots of distraction during your preparation as well as during service. The quality of being focused will help you get a better quality of service delivery. Being focused will lead you to delve the concept deeper and deeper during the study, which will help you to achieve your goal. Okay, curiosity, most important quality. Curiosity will help you explore the unexplored dimensions. This should be important component of your preparation, thereby giving you a better understanding of the concepts. This quality will help you to foster better bonding between the public and yourself, and then you can explore the hidden facet of the people and can work for their betterment. Proper planning should be there. It is well said that goal without a planning is just a waste. In the same way, proper planning should be there. Through it, you will be able to achieve your short-term and long-term targets in stipulated time. During a service, there will be lots of constants like demography and geography, etc. So for a targeted service delivery, you should be well planned. Ego, most negative quality of an IAS officer. This quality is only made for your downfall, be it during your study or during service. So at any cost, this quality should be reduced as much as possible. This quality will hinder your strategic thinking, be it in preparation or in running administration. Leadership. Leadership is another important quality. It is an act of motivating group of people towards a common goal. It provides inspiration, motivation and vision. Leadership quality will help you to build a balance between wider community and your vision. Dedicated to serve. It means committed to a task or purpose. At personal level, you can use this quality to achieve your short-term and long-term plans. At public level, it will help to work towards common goal in spite of discouragement. Okay, patience. From start till your selection, you don't know when will you get selected. It may be very first attempt or it may be second or last. So patience plays a crucial role. It means you should be patient while waiting for a result that you need. At public level, it means for a proper time, waiting for a proper time to reap what you have sown in form of service delivery. So finally, concluding this video, that there should be a balance, proper balance between your public and personal life. Thank you so much. Ending this video.